Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to edit a video using OpenShot video editor. And it's been a long time since my last video. I was busy these few days, so I thought of doing a video on how to edit a video. And usually I edit using the OpenShot video editor, which is a free open source video editor, so you all also could try it for free. So let's get started. So this is the video editor. Just click on it and go to it. So this is the main console, the video editing console, and now we have got a video which we have to import to this project. So let's right click on it and import a video in the desktop. Yes, first of all we'll load our resources into this project. So this is the video, and the audio which we are going to use for this video is this one. So both of them are free, copyright free resources, so you all also could get it. I'll put the link in the description. And now you all just have to drag and drop the video into the track. You all have got 5 tracks at default, so you all could use so each resource can be in different tracks. While if you want this audio to play while playing this video, you all just could drag it and drop it under here. And now when you play it, both of these tracks will play their content. Basically, if you're putting another voiceover on top of these 2 elements, you all could record it and put it over here. So all three elements would play at once. So basically, I'll show you all an example now. As you all saw, while the video is playing, you all could add a background music, which is the track 1. So this is a simple thing in this video editor. This is a very powerful, OpenShot is a very powerful video editor and a simple to use UI. So for beginners, it's the best thing to get started on it, as you all know it's also free. So you all could get a hands-on experience before getting onto a paid version. Of course, if you're trying out a paid version, there would be more features and stuff like that. But when you're getting started, just getting started with OpenShot, and it's a free one also. I'm not doing any advertisement for OpenShot. Just I would recommend it because I personally prefer it. So if you all want to just trim this audio onto the length of the video, you all just make this line, what do you call this, meter line, onto the place where you want to stop the audio. Right click on it. You all have to right click on the track which you are in. Basically I want to trim the audio, so I'm right clicking on this and just go to you all have got various options: copy, clip, text, and keyframes, fade. So there are many options, you all could try it out. I'm just doing the basics. So you all could control the volume too from here. So we are going to slice it basically. So I want to slice the right side off. So I'm going to keep the left side. And now you all could see it is trimmed onto the video's length. So over here y'all have got many features inside it which y'all could try hands on, as it's a free tool also. So y'all could import as many as resources y'all want, and also I'll show y'all how to put a transition effect, I mean fade in a video. So the transition fade in should come in the video, so it is in the track 2. So just right click on it and we'll slice it out, so that the portion which we want to fade, we can put a specific effect on it. So we'll slice it both sides, and basically I will show you all by putting the fading effect to the second part. So we'll go to transitions, you'll get the fade over here, just drag and drop it into the second file. Just resize it on the side of it, and now we shall go and replay the video and check it out. Oops, that's the fade effect, sorry. I just wanted the blur effect, but yeah, of course it's also good. Y'all could check on the fade effect too. And now I'll show y'all how to put the blur effect actually. So here we got the blur effect, just drag and drop that into this file, and now we'll again go through it. See, y'all could put the blur effect in it. It's a bit slow in my PC. So so when the video comes onto this location, thereafter the video visual will be blurred off. So of course y'all have got other features also, like the bars and brightness, crop, color shift, hue, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it for today guys, and y'all could of course there are many features, y'all could try it off and experience it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video, share this video, and hope to see you all very soon in another tutorial. Bye.